Are you an aspiring programmer or a seasoned developer looking to write and run Python code directly on your mobile device? A Python coding editor and IDE app aims to provide a compact, portable, integrated development environment, enabling you to create, edit, and execute Python scripts on your smartphone or tablet. I've found such apps incredibly convenient for quick prototyping, learning, and practicing coding challenges when a full desktop setup isn't available. Users consistently praise these apps for their convenience, the inclusion of a Python 3 interpreter, and features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and sometimes even a debugger. Many now also offer AI assistance for code suggestions and error resolution. However, common drawbacks often include the inherent challenge of typing code on a small touchscreen, especially for larger projects. While some free versions offer significant functionality, many advanced features like comprehensive library support, cloud syncing, and robust debugging often require in-app purchases or subscriptions, which can add up. Users also occasionally report glitches with input functions or unexpected app crashes, and the presence of ads in free versions can be intrusive. Despite these limitations, for its core function of enabling mobile Python coding, learning, and testing, a well-designed Python editor and IDE app is an excellent and highly recommended tool for anyone looking to engage with the language anywhere. What's your thought?